food processor is one of those small appliances that deserve to have a spot in everyone's kitchen. In this video, I'll talk about what makes these such an essential appliance, and if you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to click the link in the description to see our full selection of food processors at app.com. Food processors can be easy to overlook because they have so much in common with blenders that people might not think they need both. But they're not the same. Blenders are ideal for making things like smoothies, soups, or dips, things that are more liquid-based. And while food processors can do some of those too, they're better equipped to use with dry foods. They can do things like slice, chop, shred, and grate with accessories that are typically included in the box. Meaning, a food processor is capable of replacing several small appliances in your kitchen, giving you more cabinet and counter space. So, if you're looking to prepare foods like dressings, nut butters, chopped or minced vegetables, dough, and even shredded cheese, a food processor is going to make the whole process a lot easier and faster. They come in a variety of sizes, so be sure to look for one that accommodates what the majority of your recipes call for. A small one holds anywhere from 3 to 4 cups. Medium will hold 7 to 10, and large will hold anywhere from 12 to 14 cups. If you get one that's too big, it won't chop up your food properly, and if you get one that's too small, it may not fit all you need for your recipe. If you have the space for a large one though, they're worth looking into as there are some that come with a secondary smaller container in the box, so you're basically getting 2 in 1. Most food processors will also have very basic controls. You'll typically find an on, off, and pulse. On and off are pretty self-explanatory, but the pulse button is one that'll get a lot of use too. It allows the food processor to operate in short bursts, which gives you more accurate control over how much the food is getting processed. There's also some combination models that act like a blender and food processor all in one, and you may see some additional controls on those, but for the most part, on a typical model, you'll see just the 3. So, whether you're looking to grind meat, slice potatoes to make your own chips, whip up your own peanut butter, or make a pie crust, you'll definitely want a food processor on hand. If you need help picking one out or have any questions at all, make sure to contact our experts here at App. We're always happy to help. Thanks for watching.